Hey, how are you guys doing today? It's Justin Cooper at Total Reconstruction. We're out here in Hazel Crest, Illinois. There's a couple buildings damaged by the tornadoes. Right now what we're doing is we're trying to get everything boarded up. In the back, there's a whole glass entranceway that was all damaged, blown out. So what we're doing right now is we're tearing that down. We're gonna board that up so that's all protected and secured. The tornado touched down in between this complex and blew off the roofs. There's major damage on the complex. Two of the buildings over here, the roofs blew completely off and the water went through all the condo buildings. So there's major water damage. We're at the beginning stages of the project, and then we'll be starting the mitigation as far as removing all the damaged stuff, getting all the moisture out of the building, removing all the debris and contents inside the buildings. Once we get that project going, then we'll be beginning the rebuild stage. First thing what's gonna happen is we'll be putting the roofs on after the mitigation. As you can tell right now, there's two temporary roofs on the buildings. That's kind of helped drying out the water on the buildings, keeping it as dry as it can from what's already soaked and wet. As of right now, every day is important. The more and more the buildings sit with everything wet and saturated, that's more and more damage that could be being caused. So right now we're trying to get the building secured, structural engineered okay for people to get their contents out, and then mitigation will be going in, setting up the dehumidifiers, the scrubbers, and getting everything dried out and cleared out. So that way we could begin to build back the complete remodel.